Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to Xfinity. So on this video I'm again going to show you another app and we will see whether it works or not, whether it pays or not. So this application name is Spin2Win and I have been using this application for a past couple of days, and today I will show you the payment proof of Spin2Win, whether it pays or not. So let's dive into the application. As you can see here, I have earned 18338 coins and total amount is $36, and you can withdraw into your bank through bank transfer. You can use Paytm and you can use your PayPal. So I'm going to withdraw using my PayPal account. So let's enter the amount. As you can see on the top right corner, 18338, and now I will enter my PayPal ID. And now I'm going to submit the button. As you can see, your payment request is successfully done. Let's click OK. Now one drawback is that I cannot see my payment history, and I was unable to find that day, and it seems quite scam to me because uh, not a single application is like this. This is just a wastage of time, and I think this application is a scam, so beware of this application. I have been waiting for the payment for past I guess 5 days, but I did not any payment into my PayPal account. So do not use this application. This is 100% scam. They do not have any withdrawal history or anything like that. So this is a perfect scam. They will only show you a ton amount of ads, but you will not get anything from it. So don't waste your time in this application, and beware of all these scammers. As you can see, I have earned a lot of coins, but all in vain. So if you are using this application, stop using this application because it is not going to pay you. As you can see, my uh, all the dollars and coins are reset to 0 and nothing has happened. I got mad at that day, but it's okay. I am making this video so that you may not waste your time on this fake and scam application. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.